Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to my online class. This is Shortcut Taslima Afroz, lecturer, Department of English. Dear students, আজকে আমরা শিখব কি করে অন্যের সাথে কথা বলার সময় বকিশ কোনো নলেজ ছাড়া আমরা ন্যাচারালি কথা বলতে পারি. Yes, I'm sure now you can guess our today's topic. You are absolutely right, dear students. Yes, our today's topic is how to write a dialogue. In our today's class, I will discuss what is dialogue writing. Then, I will tell you the steps, that means how to write a dialogue perfectly. And after that, I will discuss two simple questions, how to write a dialogue perfectly. Well, dear students, আমার ক্লাসে আমি অবশ্যই তোমাদেরকে আরো দেখাবো ডায়ালগ রাইটিং এর জন্য তোমাদের কি কি বিষয়গুলো মানতে হবে. Dear students, তোমরা এই কোয়েশ্চেনটি পাবে ইংলিশ ফার্স্ট পেপার কোয়েশ্চেনে, যেখানে এটি নাম্বার 12 নাম্বার কোয়েশ্চেন এসে থাকে এবং টোটাল মার্কস 10. Yes, dear students. Now, let's start.
হ্যালো স্টুডেন্টস, দেখে নিচ্ছি ডায়ালগ কাকে বলে. তোমরা অলরেডি দেখতে পাচ্ছ আমি স্ক্রিনে লিখে রেখেছি ডায়ালগ কি বলে. আমি এটি তোমাদের জন্য এখন এক্সপ্লেইন করব. A dialogue is a literary technique in which writers employ two or more characters to be engaged in conversation with one another. Remember, dear students, here this information is very important. Well, it is a conversation between two persons. I emphasize between two person or more person, but in your question paper, you'll find two person whom you have to talk. That means you or someone else after different affair of our daily life. So the conversation should be realistic and spontaneous. At the same time, dear students, remember your skill of vocabulary and grammar will be tested here. The conversation should be informative and relevant. Now, I will show you more about dialogue. That means how to write a dialogue perfect. শিক্ষার্থীরা, আমি আশা করছি তোমরা বুঝতে পেরেছো ডায়ালগ রাইটিং এর ডেফিনেশনটি কি, এটির জন্য আমাদের কি কি বিষয় সম্পর্কে সচেতন থাকতে হবে. এখন আমি তোমাদেরকে দেখাবো ডায়ালগ রাইটিং কত রকমের হতে পারে, অর্থাৎ এগুলো কি কি ধরনের কাদের সাথে কনভারসেশন হয়ে থাকে. তাহলে চলো দেখে নিই স্ক্রিনে আমাদের জন্য কি প্রস্তুত করা আছে. Well, you can see on the screen dialogue between two friends, teachers or student, doctor or patient, or teacher and students about exams, or a dialogue between two persons about different topics, their argument, their opinion. At the same time, you may find questions like shopkeeper and customer, or mother and son about vacations, teachers and students, as I have already mentioned, about studies, mother and daughter. You also can get bank manager and a student, father and son, mother and daughter about vacation, principal and students. Like this way, you'll find different type of person whom you have to continue your conversation. So students, আশা করছি তোমরা বুঝতে পেরেছো যে কি কি ধরনের ডায়ালগ হয়ে থাকে. এখন আমি তোমাদের জন্য দেখাবো যে কি ধরনের স্টেপ আমাদেরকে ফলো করতে হবে. দ্যাট মিন্স হোয়াট টু ডু. যখন আমি এটি দেখাবো অবশ্যই তোমাদেরকে প্রত্যেকটি বিষয় মনোযোগ সহকারে শুনতে হবে এবং এটি তোমরা অ্যানসার স্ক্রিপ্টে সেভাবেই ফলো করে অ্যানসারটি লিখতে হবে. This one is very simple. As you can see on the screen, what to do. First of all, greeting. Greeting is very important when you are writing a dialogue. Number 2, start a new paragraph each time a new person speaks. Remember, this one is very important. Number 3, make sure readers know who is talking. This one is very important. As I said, the conversation may be between two persons like your friend and you, or someone else like a manager or a student, a customer or shopkeeper. So you have to make sure readers know who is talking. Number 4, give a balanced mix of action and talking. This one is another important step to write a good dialogue. Dear students, number 5, which one is at the same time very important and you have to follow this one. Let all the characters have equal say. That means someone is talking and after that another person you have to give opportunity to say. Number 6, maintain context. Yes, dear students, relevant and informative idea is very important when you are writing a dialogue. If you want to obtain a good marks in the examination, then you have to maintain this step. That means maintain context. Number 7, make it realistic. You don't need to give any information from your own. Write something which is very realistic. Number 8, not too much action, not too much dialogue, but 10 pairs is a must. Dear students, I emphasize and I repeated 10 pairs is a must. And remember, make sure readers know who is talking and equal balance or mixed action talking is at the same time very important. Number 9, try and solve the discussion by the end of the page. So dear students, I hope you understand how to solve or how to write a dialogue perfectly to obtain a good marks in the examination. Now, next step. Students, as you can see on the screen, common conversation for dialogue writing, greeting conversation, saying of people, at what, regarding goal, and miscellaneous, which I have already mentioned. Students, আশা করছি তোমরা প্রত্যেকটা বিষয় বুঝতে পেরেছো। এখন তোমাদেরকে আমি যেটি দেখাবো কিছু ওয়ার্ডস এবং ফ্রেজ, এগুলো তোমরা কনভারসেশন স্টার্ট করার ক্ষেত্রে এবং ফিনিশ করার ক্ষেত্রে ব্যবহার করতে পারো। এগুলো অবশ্যই তোমাদের সিনোনিম আকারে দেওয়া হয়েছে বা বিভিন্ন রকমের অপশনে দেওয়া হয়েছে। এগুলো তোমাদেরকে মার্কস ভালো পেতে সহযোগিতা করবে। Now, greeting conversation. You can say like hello, hi, or you can start by writing good morning, good afternoon, and evening, or how are you, or how are you doing. Like this way, you can start. Next, you can say fine, fine, thanks, or okay. That's what's new. Or you can ask what's new with you. Not much, not too much. Like this way. For more information, seeing of people like goodbye or bye, good night, take care, or see you later, soon, or tomorrow. Like this way, dear students, you can write. Now, a sample question for you. Dear students, as you can see on the screen, write a dialogue between two friends about how to eradicate illiteracy from Bangladesh. Yes, dear students. Now, how to write? First of all, you have to write this information. A dialogue between two friends about how to eradicate illiteracy from Bangladesh is given below. After that, I have already mentioned all the steps. Now, let's start. First one, Zafi, who is talking. Hello, Zarif. How are you? Zarif, I'm fine, and you? Next one, I'm also fine. I see you are absorbed in deep thought. Is there any problem? Then Zarif is talking. No, I have no problem. Actually, no personal problem. I am terribly upset about the problem of our illiteracy. Zafi, oh, I see. Illiteracy is undoubtedly a great problem as well as a curse for our country. As I said, you have to maintain equal balance. Zarif, you are right. It is the root cause of ignorance that frustrates all our development efforts. By this way, equal balance, realistic information, you have to write all. Next pair is talking. Zafi, exactly. No development efforts can succeed unless illiteracy is eradicated. Now, it's time for Zarif. Zarif, right here. Our girls and women are the worst sufferers from illiteracy, but how can we get rid of this problem? Now, you have to give your opinion or your argument. As I said, it should be realistic and relevant. Now, you can see answer from Zafi on the screen. Zafi, I think the government should take pragmatic steps to solve this problem. Zarif, you are partly right, but only government cannot solve this problem. We all should come forward and work hand in hand to solve this problem. Now, Zafi is talking. It is okay, but the government should start adult schools again and take initiative so that our girls go to school and complete at least primary education. No, Zafi, you're right. If we develop mass awareness among the guardians, they will be aware of the importance of education. Absolutely. We students also can pursue illiterate guardians for sending their children to school. We should do it because it is our social duty. Now, Zarif is speaking. Certainly. Next, Zafi. If we all are sincere in words and deeds, eradicating illiteracy from our country is not a problem. Thank you, Zarif. That's right. You are most welcome. Yes, dear students, I hope you understand how to write a dialogue. Now, dear students, sample question 2 for you. Write a dialogue between two friends about importance of learning English. This one is very common and it's a major problem in our country. Now, let's start. As I have already shown you how to start. Now, at first you have to write like this. A dialogue between two friends about the importance of learning English is given below. Now, you have to start by greeting like, hello Zarif, how are you? Zarif, fine, thank you. What about you? Zafi, I'm also okay. What are you doing? Zarif, I'm reading an article about the importance of learning English. Yes, someone is asking a question, then someone is replying. So you have to maintain this one, balance information, as I said, realistic and relevant. Next, Zafi, nice! Exclamation. Actually, English is essential in our every walk of life. Next, Zarif, of course, it is an international language. In this of globalization, it plays an important role for communication in the present world. So, learning English is a must. Dear students, I hope you understand where to give information, where to ask questions. Like this way, you have to make a conversation very spontaneous. At the same time, it should be colloquial. Okay, now Zafi. But it is unfortunate that we are neglecting it. For that we are lagging behind our neighbors. Now, it's time for Jarif. Oh, it is really disgraceful. The situation must be changed if we want to keep pace with the modern world. Now, Zafi, right you are. Our international relations and trade would be affected much if we do not learn English well. Now, Zarif, exactly. Besides, without efficiency in English, none can expect to receive higher education as all the books on higher education are written in English. Zafi, yes, it is only English that can help us to enter the storehouse of knowledge. Now, sorry, absolutely. But it is a matter of shame that most of the university graduates lack proper knowledge of English. Exactly. And as a result, they are being deprived of getting good job and receiving handsome salary. Zarif, right here. A sound command over English is a prerequisite for a good job and good salary. Undoubtedly. In fact, the importance of learning this language cannot be described in words. We must study and practice English seriously. Thank you. Now, Zarif, you are most welcome. Goodbye.
ওয়েল ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, আই হোপ যে তোমরা বুঝতে পেরেছো কি করে একটি ডায়ালগ লিখতে হবে, এবং তোমরা যদি ভালো মার্কস পেতে চাও এই ডায়ালগ রাইটিংয়ে, তাহলে অবশ্যই তোমাদেরকে ডায়ালগ রাইটিংয়ের যে স্টেপগুলো আছে সেগুলো ফলো করতে হবে। এবং মনে রাখবে, যখন আমরা কারোর সাথে কনভারসেশনে যাই তখন সেটাকে অনেক বেশি ন্যাচারাল করে তোলার দায়িত্বটা আমাদের। সেই কনভারসেশনকে আরও বেশি ন্যাচারাল করতে হলে আমাদেরকে স্টেপগুলো অবশ্যই জানতে হবে। I hope you understand. If you have any kind of question, please ask your subject teacher. So that's all for today, dear students. See you later in my next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.